Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, when we are in school, we all must have learned the numbers in Roman. But after certain age, we are not able to write the same. So Excel has provided a formula how to convert a number into Roman. Let's see friends. So we have to apply the formula is equal to Roman bracket and you have to select the number to which you want to convert it into Roman. I will select this. Let's copy this formula and drag it up to here. You can easily convert any numbers into Roman. Now you will tell from Roman to normal can we convert? Say for example this is Roman 1. Can I convert it into Roman or can I convert into normal one? Let's see friends. The formula is Arabic. Arabic. Let's select the bracket, select the text and bracket over. I will press enter. I will just try. So in this way you can convert the number from normal to Roman, Roman to Arabic. Oh friends, I have added some knowledge to you. If you feel the video is good, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.